Cancer doesn't survive by accident. It survives by strategy. Instead of relying on one mechanism, cancer uses a network of biological systems called survival pathways. Think of them like backup generators, escape tunnels, and force fields that help tumors grow, hide, and resist treatment. Scientists have identified about 10 major pathways that cancer cells use to stay alive. Let's break them down. First are the growth pathways. The PI3K ACT mTOR pathway acts like a gas pedal. When activated, it accelerates cell growth and protein production, allowing cancer cells to even when the body tries to stop them. Next is the MAPK pathway, which drives rapid cell division and helps tumors adapt to treatment. And then there's MYC, a powerful genetic regulator that acts like a copy machine for cancer cells, pushing them to replicate faster and faster. Together, these pathways fuel the rapid expansion of tumors. Next come the defense pathways. The NF-κB pathway works like a fire alarm system. It triggers inflammation and survival signals that help cancer repair damage and resist chemotherapy or radiation. The STAT3 pathway acts as a bodyguard. It protects tumors from immune attack and activates genes that prevent cancer cells from dying. Another key defense is glutathione, a chemical shield that neutralizes oxidative damage and helps cancer cells survive treatments designed to destroy them. These systems form a protective barrier around tumors. The third group are the immortality pathways. The WNT beta-catenin pathway keeps cancer cells in a stem-like state. Instead of maturing and dying like normal cells, they remain capable of dividing forever. Then there's telomerase activation, which rebuilds the protective ends of DNA called telomeres. This allows cancer cells to bypass aging and become essentially immortal. Finally, we have the resource pathways. The HIF-1 alpha pathway allows tumors to survive in low-oxygen environments. It shifts cancer metabolism toward sugar burning and triggers the growth of new blood vessels. And iron metabolism allows tumors to hoard iron, a critical element for DNA synthesis and rapid cell division. In other words, cancer doesn't just grow. It engineers an entire survival system. Understanding these pathways has led researchers to explore strategies that target multiple pathways at once, weakening cancer's ability to grow, defend itself, and adapt. Because when you shut down enough of these systems, the survival network begins to collapse. Cancer may be strategic, but science is learning how to outmaneuver it.